Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to rotate resize page in Canva. So if you have a design right here in front of you, what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and click resize in magical switch, and then what you're going to do, you're going to just click the first option, and you can change right here to Instagram story, to Instagram post, Facebook post, whatever it might be, or you can just custom size right here. Let's say for example 8.5 by 11, or you could just switch from 180 to 1920 to 1920 to 180, right? So you can resize it, and they will open up a pop-up pages to see the final design, or you could just see right here a demonstration on how it looks like. So basically this is how it looks like, and basically you could just go ahead and select the landscape or portrait or square for that matter, and then continue to resize it, and you're going to see different pages opening up for you to see the final results. So let's me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.